morning. Again, it's super early. I'm doing another early morning weekend blitz, right? So our pool seems to be leaking. Something in the piping, I'm hoping. But our water bill doubled, which is, a couple $100 for a month is not cool. And the city of Phoenix called and said they noticed it. So I don't know what this month's going to look like. But the ground was saturated around the edge of the pool here. I turned off the pump and the autofill device for 2 days. It dried up. Last night I fired it up again so I could try to locate it. So I've got a little hole over here dug, and there's a little bit of moisture. So that's the only clue I got, really, that it's somewhere on the what I guess this would be the east side of the pool. All right, check it out. I've been digging for a while. I haven't found a source of any leaks yet, but I did find some pipes. Check this out. So I got some 2-inch water lines and a 3/4 inch electrical. The electrical is going to feed the pool light, which is right over there. I'm guessing that these 2-inch lines must go to this skimmer basket, maybe the pool drain. I'm really looking for the water that's feeding over there, and there's one over there. Hopefully I can find those. Seems like they would be smaller, but I'm going to follow these back to the pump, follow them this way. So I don't know. I haven't found a clue yet. A little bit moist here, maybe for Arizona, but I haven't found the leak yet. 3.5 hours. I really haven't found anything, but it might be a little moist under there. Doesn't feel like a leak, but I'm gonna go take a break. I'm starving, thirsty, and holy crap. And guess what just came in the mail? The August water bill. $583. It's almost 6 times our normal bill. Home ownership, right? Well, I'm out here to fill in the trenches around the pool. That's a dust storm.